displaced well, straight back past the bowler. And a
गिरा मत
nice
देना.
boundary after 15 deliveries.
Yeah, that's more like it. That's what they want. Aggression met with the result. Lot of bottom hand on this one. Yeah, front of the hand, finger behind it. So the ball wasn't going to turn. And because it was full, he had to sort of just lean back a little and get that.
Quicker pace didn't allow for the batters to either dance down the track and kept it in line with
Yeah,
the
Mithu.
stumps. Broadcast of Saibzada Farhan as well. The leads now come in. So protection straight down the ground, both long on and long off on the fence. It doesn't matter.
टीवी भी देखना जरूरी है. पहले खा लो. अरे खा लो.